I got no hot water either. The flow turbo is gone, but the sensor is gone. Switch off the power and switch off the water supply, switch off the gas. Open this cover and remove this filter and remove this cable. And twist the thing which way. Clockwise turn, and that's the sensor. That's the flow turbine thing. We need to put it inside. Yeah. Not much water. I got a spare one, and that's the old one, and that's a spare one. It looks like exactly the same. This one is from the Combi 35, and this is the Combi 30. It looks like they're all the same. Let's try some silicone. Put this one. Let's put this back, put it back, anti-clockwise turn, and anti-clockwise turn, put it, reconnect the pipe. Stable red line. Yep. The red line is stable. So the sensor and profile is working.